Hello, greetings mga ka-Sky Watchers and mga ka-Spacers natin out there from Luzon, Visayas and Mindanao. And sa lahat po ng ating mga ka-Sky Watchers and mga ka-Spacers na nakikinig po sa ating vlog worldwide and netwide, magandang araw po. This is your ka-Sky Watcher and ka-Spacer, Sir June Cahigal. Welcome to another of our ka-Spacers vlog. So today po is August 19. 2023 and nag-set up po tayo again ng telescope for solar observation. So siguro mga 11 o'clock na ho ng umaga and I have here my Vixen achromatic refracting telescope na nakamount sa Vixen Porta. This is a Vixen Porta Altasimut mount. And kung mapapansin nyo po yung ating telescope ay yan, no? May Bahadur solar filter, and again never observe the sun directly without any protection. Ayan po, no? So let's look through the eyepiece and let us observe the sun. Alright mga ka-Sky Watchers and mga ka-Spacers. So this is our sun today. Today is August 19, 2023 around 11 o'clock AM. And we can see several large group of sunspots no, sa ating solar imaging ngayon. Alright, so comment down below mga ka-Sky Watchers and mga ka-Spacers kung ano po ang inyong masasabi sa ating solar imaging today. Yan, so kitang-kita po yung mga large group of sunspots. And ang ginagamit natin na telescope ay yung Vixen 70mm Achromat refracting telescope. And this telescope is equipped with a Bahadur solar filter. So again mga ka-Sky Watchers and mga ka-Spacers, never observe the sun directly without any protection. Alright, so we can see several large group of sunspots. Ayan po. So again, comment down below kung ano po ang inyong masasabi sa ating solar imaging ngayon. Alright, so it's a sunny day, a sunny Saturday of August 19. And later po tonight, we will have a free telescope viewing at Robinson's Place, Las Piñas. So we will be observing the waxing crescent moon at about 8% illumination. Yan, sana clear skies po tayo mamayang gabi. Alright, and on Sunday, that's tomorrow, we will be at Vista Mall, Tansa, Cavite. Ayan po. So ayan po yung mga ganap itong long weekend, August 19 and August 20. Alright, so shoutout po sa lahat ng mga Sky Watchers and mga ka-Spacers na nanonood po sa atin ngayon, no? And again, don't forget to like and share this vlog para makarating po ito sa maraming tao, lalong-lalo na sa mga estudyante natin. Okay, so let us now magnify the image of our sun. Alright, so we can see the dark central region called the umbra and the lighter outer section called the penumbra. Ito pa, no? Ito pa. There are several large group of sunspots here. Ayan. Alright mga ka-Sky Watchers and mga ka-Spacers, please comment down below kung ano po ang inyong masasabi sa ating solar imaging today. Alright, so those are the sunspots present today, August 19, 2023. Alright, balik na natin yung araw. Alright, there you have it. That's our solar imaging today. Yan, nakikita niyo yung mga large scoop of sunspots na yan. Okay, balik na natin yung, tanggalin natin yung camera sa eyepiece. Alright, so there you have it mga ka-sky watchers. That's our solar imaging for today. And ito po yung telescope na ginamit natin. This is a Vixen 70mm achromatic refracting telescope that is equipped with a Baader solar filter. Ayan po. Alright, so salamat po sa inyong pagtangkilik sa ating vlog, and don't forget to like and share, and please follow us on our Facebook page, the Skywatcher Society of Las Piñas and the Bedan Society of Young Astronomers. Alright, have a great weekend po mga ka-Skywatchers, and sana po puntahan niyo po kami later at Robinson's Place Las Piñas for a free public telescope viewing, and on Sunday tomorrow, August 20 at Vista Mall, Tansa, Cavite. Alright, so maraming salamat po. See you on our next vlog. Bye bye.